Hi students, this is my 100th video. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is my 100th video and it is all for your cooperation and your following, all these things and your appreciations which have brought me here. Thank you. And now I am here with Dust of Snow class 10 CBSE. Dust of Snow class 10 CBSE. Students, have you ever marked this one? That you start off a day in a very sad mood. Because of some reasons. You are very sad. But a small thing happens which changes your mood, which becomes your mood changer. Opposite also happens, that you start off very well. You are attending a party or enjoying a festival. Some small events, some unpleasant things spoil your mood. Actually, mostly what happens in life is that something unexpected always happens. Life is not what we plan it to be. Life has some surprises for us. Good surprises, bad surprises. I tell you that you have spent half of the day in a very bad mood. But all of a sudden something small happens. And that small happens from the unexpected quarter. From the unlikely places, unlikely people. And your mood changes. Opposite is the case also. When you are in a very good mood, you had a very bright morning, you are very cheerful, you are very happy, talking with your friends, enjoying yourself. But one small thing, a spoiler happens and it spoils your mood so much that you feel that the day has been marred. Okay students, this happens in life and this poem is all about that. Okay, I have given the hints about this poem. I have introduced this poem. First of all, I will recite this poem, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Here I go. Dust of Snow, Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Dear students, this poem is of one sentence, but two stanzas. Actually, one sentence starts with stanza 1 and it continues till the end of the stanza 2. We shall start with stanza 1. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Poet was in a bad mood. He had started off a day in a bad mood and nearly half of the day had passed. He was not happy at all. There was something which was haunting him. He was very sad and gloomy. He was not happy at all. And he was just on a walk. He passed by a hemlock tree. A crow was sitting in the tree. And what crow did? It shook the tree slightly. As the crow shook the tree, some dust of snow fell on the poet. And as the dust of snow fell on the poet, his mood changed. I am asking you this question. How could this happen? A very insignificant thing, a very unimportant thing. How could it change the mood? But it is life, students. In nature it happens. That one small thing, even a whiff of wind, a small thing, a smile of a friend, a gesture from our enemy can make our mood different. And his mood changed. He became cheerful. And mark here, there are two things. Crow is not considered an auspicious bird. A crow is not considered an auspicious bird. It doesn't stand for positivism and a good promise. Same way, hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Two negative things are there, but these two negative things have changed his mood because it is life. In life, such things happen. Such things happen in life because it is life. Had he expected that a crow will be instrumental in changing his mood? That a poisonous hemlock tree, from this tree, some dust of snow will fall on him and his mood will change. Yes, his mood changed. Same way in our life, such things happen. We can't say what thing will change our mood, what thing will spoil our mood, and what thing will freshen us. Nobody can say because this is life. Second stanza. has given my heart a change of mood that saved some part of a day I had rued. I had spent the major part of the day. I had spent the major part of the day, and I realized that my day was doomed. My day had been spoiled, and I realized that my day would end in the same way. I was in the later part of the day, but as I passed by that hemlock tree, and a crow shook a branch of a tree, and some dust particle fell on me, my mood changed, and in this way, my day was saved from utter ruin. My day was saved from utter ruin, and I got a part of the day which made me very cheerful, and I passed the remaining part of the day smiling and being very happy. The question is, a crow is not considered a very happy bird, a very auspicious bird. A hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Both these objects of nature stand for something negative, something bad. But these two negative things changed the poet's mood, and his day was saved. And he could call it a very happy day, because all is well that ends well. The major part of his day had been spoiled, but the remaining part of the day was changed by some dust of snow which fell on him as he was walking under the tree, and everything changed for good. In life it happens. You start off a day in a very happy mood, but all of a sudden, during the middle of a day, when you think that things are going as per your plan, something wrong happens, very small things, and your day is spoiled. Here, the poet had thought, he had given up, that his day had been ruined. It was doomed. But this small event, insignificant event, falling of dust of snow on him, changed his mood. So students, I have explained this poem. I will discuss question answers in the next class. Keep subscribing to my channel. Write in the comment section. May God bless you all.
I